Far too many people these days guess about their heart health, relying on occasional checkups without realizing how crucial consistent, at-home monitoring can be. You might be managing hypertension, starting a new fitness regimen, or simply wanting peace of mind, all without a reliable way to track your vitals between doctor visits. Dealing with this uncertainty is more stressful than it needs to be, and it can leave you in the dark about your own well-being. Upgrading to an accurate home blood pressure monitor will upgrade your health management in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best home monitors go beyond a simple reading. They offer clinical validation, seamless app connectivity for trend tracking, comfortable cuffs for all arm sizes, and features designed for ease of use and clarity. And we have the top 5 options, from smart Bluetooth models to trusted doctor-recommended brands, ready and waiting. But first of all, make sure to use our links in the description because they're going to take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's go. We'll start our list with a top choice for the tech-savvy user who wants comprehensive health tracking, the iHealth Track Smart Upper Arm Blood Pressure Monitor. We're getting this show on the road in the smart health domain with iHealth. This monitor stands out for its seamless Bluetooth compatibility, syncing effortlessly with both iOS and Android devices to log every reading in a detailed app. This allows you to track trends over time, share data directly with your healthcare provider, and truly understand your heart health patterns. A key practical feature is its wide-range cuff, designed to fit standard to large adult arms comfortably and accurately, which is a common frustration with one-size-fits-all models. You're getting clinically accurate performance and user-friendly digital attributes that outshine basic devices, delivering a level of insightful functionality often associated with professional medical tools without the complexity or high cost. Next, we have a highly convenient and user-focused option, the Oklar Rechargeable Wrist Blood Pressure Monitor. This model sets a new standard for portability and ease of use. Its compact, wrist-based design makes it incredibly simple to use anywhere, and it includes a carrying case, perfect for travel or keeping at the office. The rechargeable battery eliminates the constant cost and hassle of buying AA batteries, a standout convenience many other monitors lack. It features a clear LED backlit display, a voice broadcast that announces your readings aloud, a major benefit for those with vision challenges, and substantial memory storage for 240 readings across 2 users. For individuals or couples who value portability, clear audio feedback, and the neatness of a rechargeable device, the Oklar wrist monitor provides a modern, fuss-free way to stay on top of your numbers. For those who prioritize trust and clinical reassurance above all else, we turn to the Omron Bronze blood pressure monitor. If you seek the confidence of the most recommended brand, this model is where it's at for you. Omron is the #1 doctor and pharmacist recommended brand for a reason, and this Bronze series monitor is clinically validated for accuracy, providing peace of mind that your readings are reliable. It uses the preferred upper arm cuff position, which is often considered more consistently accurate than wrist models. The added benefit here is its app connectivity via the Omron Connect app, allowing you to store unlimited readings, track trends with color-coded graphs, and share data. For anyone who wants the gold standard in trusted, accurate home monitoring with the added bonus of digital tracking, the Omron Bronze delivers dependable, professional-grade performance every day, making it an indispensable tool for managing your health. Staying with the trusted Omron line for a straightforward, essential choice, we have the Omron Iron Blood Pressure Monitor. This model focuses on delivering core, reliable performance without the app connectivity, offering exceptional value. It carries the same crucial credentials. It's the #1 recommended brand and is clinically validated for accuracy. It features an easy-to-wrap ComFit cuff that ensures a proper fit for accurate readings, and the display is simple and clear. This is the monitor for the person who wants the trusted Omron accuracy and quality in its purest, most straightforward form. No Bluetooth, no apps, just a dependable device you can use for years. It provides a level of consistent, hassle-free functionality that forms the solid foundation of any effective home health monitoring routine. And finally, we have a feature-packed monitor that offers exceptional value and clarity. The automatic upper arm blood pressure monitor with a large backlit screen. This monitor stands out with its incredibly user-friendly design centered around a large 4.5-inch backlit screen, making the readings easy to see for anyone, in any light. It goes beyond basic measurements by detecting arrhythmia, an important feature for identifying irregular heartbeats that standard monitors might miss. The adjustable cuff fits a wide range from 9 to 17 inches, and it stores an impressive 199 readings for each of 2 users. For the household that wants a highly readable, feature-rich monitor with advanced detection capabilities, all at a very accessible price point, this model offers outstanding comprehensive value, ensuring you have the clear information you need to take control of your cardiovascular health. From the smart connected iHealth to the portable Oklar, the trusted Omron Bronze and Iron, and the large screen value champion, each of these monitors provides a reliable window into your heart health. The right one removes the guesswork and empowers you with knowledge. Check the links in the description for the best prices on these top-rated blood pressure monitors and take the first confident step toward better health awareness today.